I try to keep an open mind, but I just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train, I wanna get off and go home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? Also, I missed some supas earlier. I'll get them after the song. I completely forgot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. Don't know how else to say it. Don't wanna see my parents go. Ooh, I forgot about that line. Not gonna ruminate on that. Not gonna ruminate on that one. I'm generations linked from fighting life out on my own. Stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. I can't take the speed it's moving.